win. Just believe.
Gist choke. My own have to analyze. Your own have to comment and also drop a like. Well, Carter Efe and Peller, they don't dey damage each other car. I no go really waste your time. And again, I the new car wey money just give am watch.
Which kind CBD?
Damaging Peller's car. See Peller damaging Carter Efe car.
Wetin dey talk?
Carter Efe run go back.
Yeah!
Carry stone. He break Peller car. He break am again.
I go kill Jesus.
Peller carry stone. Break Carter Efe car.
Jesus.
Carter Efe go again. Break Peller car. Peller go again. Break Carter Efe car.
Omo, wetin be this?
Peller.
The security guy follow Peller and he down. Now this kind of the car wey be say money just give Carter Efe just yesterday. So this event wey invite Peller come na event wey be say suppose take unveil the car, but just wetin the both of their madness. And that car they say cost about 50 to 55 million naira, 2025 model of that Corolla. See wetin give you talk. If you say Carter Efe na see finish boy you be. True, car wey dem dash you just yesterday, you use your foolishness spoil the car. Basisco said this is what happens when you give a car to someone that can afford it multiple fold instead of people that actually need it. As a KGRN say the moment Carter Efe broke the windscreen of Peller's car and Peller got angry and reciprocate and broke Carter's car. Now the wetin dey fly around be say na Peller na first go climb on top of the car, dey match the car say dey celebrate. So Carter Efe come try to return the favour and from there dey begin wake up. Soldier say imagine saying you are unveiling the car, money bought. So na to unveil the car na the reason wey make you go on the live stream be that, to unveil the car and to appreciate money. Imagine saying you are unveiling the car, money bought, and money called his associate to watch, but instead of thanking him for the gift and showing how grateful you are smashing the windscreen. Oh, na Toyota, cause he can never do that to a Range Rover. Na wetin the person talk say, you know if you do that one to a Range Rover, so na Toyota, but these guys they go break range. Oh, Dr. Farouk say the new car they just gave Carter Efe, na be the one on this side. The new car they just gave Carter Efe a few days ago, and Peller new car, Peller car na 2022 model, the same version, then the same model 2022, Carter Efe na 2025. Please leave whatever you are doing and pray for them. Daniel Rega said we have normalized a lot of rubbish in Nigeria, and Yabale reported Peller and Carter have smashed each other's windscreen. Remember, Carter Efe was gifted a brand new car by money when he was doing birthday some days ago. David say Carter Efe elder brother call am. Yeah, we go watch the video. Carter Efe elder brother even call am. They change am for am. Season said a rich man gift you a car yesterday because you told him you sold your car to buy swimming equipment. Today you and your fellow dumb swimmers smash a 2025 car windscreen on a stream for cloud. How will your helper feel? The desperation for attention will end many of you now. Dami Paul said Victor Boniface even cop Carter Efe, the changer for Carter Efe. So why you go smash the gift? Normally, if now you buy the car yourself, you just smash and no one, but this one you be saying and give. Chief will say Carter Efe, how do you think money will feel after you destroy the car he gifted you in less than a week? It shows you don't value the gift, and that is why rich people like us sometimes don't like helping people like you. As I can say, I'm happy for Carter Efe when I saw the car. I think Peller talk with that. Carter Efe has a GLE. I don't know why he's hiding it. They also say Carter Efe they hide in GLE. You know they give drive in GLE. More take a look at the other videos because the videos when you see on top of you see now where it start with this. Peller first climb this one. Go climb that one. Before they climb, they see
Jesus, Omo, this thing don't go down. It don't go down.
Peller, see what you do.
Jesus.
Now be lost screen. I
Peller,
you guys.
see when you match my car don't go down. That thing don't go down.
Nah, lie never go down. Don't go down.
That is gonna
Don't go down
retaliate.
now.
Now here it start.
Say I be your friend. I go pay. I go pay. I'm your friend.
So whether you go pay. Peller, I say I'm your friend, say you go pay.
This gonna bastard. Jesus, where are you?
See when bro I take call and they change am for am, say why you go destroy your car?
Boy, talk on menu.
Okay.
My senior brother. Hello, Migo. I no go Peller house now. Peller come here, limon. Say mo could do. Bro, see wait now.
That one na him bros. You hear am say when the bros they change am for am. Although Peller don't call am apologize, no watch.
I beg. I want grace. I beg. I swear to Almighty God. Maybe you don't dare ask in Jesus. Why they look like that? Why are you looking like that?
Now your plan be this, Abi. Wait.
No be my plan. No, they say na my plan.
Bro, I hate you. Bro, you are too rough.
You dey hear am so. He tell one side of the story.
If you don't spoil my car, you don't spoil her. My God go judge. No worry. Baba me be one your model. Shegbo. They don't spoil my car. Make a if you no worry.
Maybe Peller get another one GLE.
The rough town now. Yo!
Peller no
He
strong.
don't follow you. People don't follow Carter Efe. I swear now 4 is it before. Now Carter Efe do about 4. Everybody go follow.
You dey hear what they say? They even say e-money don't unfollow Carter Efe. They will never verify that one. What's
Hello?
Carter Efe? When Boniface call am
I want to talk
Boniface.
to you private. I know what me that life. What I do now rubbish. I don't lie for you, but you did life.
I did live.
Oh, yeah, blah. Call me when you finish.
God.
You dey hear what Boniface talk?
I
More you
want
watch
to talk
am
to you
again.
private. I know what me that life. What I do now rubbish.
Omo, the gist really choke. You hear when Boniface dey tell am say wetin dem do na rubbish. Jarvis even weigh in. Jarvis dey call Carter Efe a psychiatric patient. Carter Efe respond to Jarvis. More hear wetin he talk call Jarvis.
God will punish you. It's me that you are calling psychiatric patient. Thank God I don't get what's happening. Now, yeah, will they reply you? If let's say you dey craze. Your husband, Peller, when they misbehave, where my motto, where no one, since Google they bring Carter Efe is the biggest streamer. Now, since that day that your Peller won't bring me down.
Omo, Carter Efe don turn out to beef. He say Peller dey jealous am. Wetin you think?
Nothing will
Watch.
happen to him. It's good. You go E-money and beg him. I swear to my God. E-money go forgive him. If I do in advance begging for E-money, I swear to my.
You see where Peller dey try console Carter Efe say money go forgive am just like that. A car of about 50 something M. Na
You see,
wa.
You do the front the same. You do all the side mirror the same.
For break side mirror, you know break my side mirror. Now wait till you break for my own. Now wait till I break.
Wait till break for you, you go break for you.
My baby, and that car is costed than my car. My baby, that car is costed than my car. His car na like 40 million. My own car na like 30 something million. Yes, na 30 something million.
As long as in touch your car, you're supposed to finish beyond the bed. You pity the car. But it
No, I pity him.
You dey hear wetin you don hear am so. Jarvis dey class say suppose burst the tire, break the glasses, everything comot. See wetin Jarvis talk about Carter.
Make nobody better complain. No, nobody should complain. Everybody should swallow their complaint and go and shit it inside toilets. Yes, because you don't expect him to sit down there and be looking at that psychiatric patient destroying his car.
You hear am so. Na where Jarvis take call Carter Efe psychiatric patient be that. Like no be small thing.
I hear say psychiatric patient don't reply me. Abeg make una play my favorite song giver. No be for ye, you go jokodo. Yes. Wizkid purposely sing that song for person like Carter Efe. Yes. Alpha, if you want jokodo.
hear wetin she talk. She say wizkid release no be for here you go jogodo give Carter Efe. No be small thing. And this one na the last one wey be say Peller come outside come really explain wetin happen. You hear am. Peller.
You go dey tell me if me and am wan meet, you go dey tell me I come carry am with my car. We dey get GLU, e go dey hide that. The guy too.
You hear Peller dey say Carter Efe get GLE and e dey hide am. We try talk about the matter. Sandra Benede say you go give Peller about $1 million, and one of Carter Efe super fan also say you go fix the car for Carter Efe. So wetin you think about this? If you say Carter Efe no dey appreciative, let me know for the comment section. If you say Peller too dey rough, let me know for the comment section. Wetin you think? If you say money go forgive am, abi wetin you think say make money do at this point? Wetin you think about Carter Efe? If you say no appreciate the gift, just let me know your opinion in the comment section. Don't forget to share this video and also drop a like. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.